Okay, so just as I said, as this particular one here is logging on, yeah, it's being signed on. Let's work over here. Now, since we have already created, we've created a user. Do you get it? You saw it in the previous video, how we created a user. Now you come to
Yeah.
group policy management. And just as I said, with group policy management, if you come here, you see your forest. The forest is ice.com. We don't have any other domain yet at the moment or anything. So when you click here and you come to domains, how many domains do we have here? We are talking about just one, which is ice.com. When you click here, you see a lot of features under ice.com. And funny enough, or interestingly, you see cybersecurity users to here. What we created, the organizational unit we created, is already here. So now we can apply policies to that particular organizational unit. Okay, and whatever policy we create here, it will affect everybody here in the organizational unit. It's going to affect everybody within this area. Do you get it? So for instance,
Yes.
let me come down here and then let me create, oh, I think I copied all this. So the machine restarted, so it will lose everything. Yeah. So let me quickly create the necessary shortcuts. ncpa.cpl. Then this is the one that creates creation. It can be something. System properties, filter name. Yeah. And then let me drop CMD or partial here. There we go. Is it? Okay. So now check this out. We can do all this. We can get to how do you call it? Uh, we can get into the settings of the PC. I'm doing this because I'm going to enforce some policies so that you see how they work. You can go to control panel as well. You can also go to control panel as well. Here you go. You get it. Interesting. You can do a whole lot of interesting things at once. Okay. But let check something else. I'm going to enforce a policy. So what I'll do is that I'll right click here. And if you want to create a policy for the group you or the organizational unit, you right click, come to the first option, create a GPO in this domain and link it here. Do you understand? Then I can name it what? Cyber Sec Policy. Then I click on OK. Then it's created. My policy is created in here. But the interesting thing is that I may want to enforce this policy. I have to edit it. And when I right click on it, I'll click on edit. Then it's going to open the group policy manager, management editor for me. This is it. This particular one here. This is the one that you use to apply everything. When you click here, everything you do here will come and for the computer only. You understand? But everything you do here will go against the user only. So for instance, we have things that will affect software, Windows, and administrative templates. Okay, the administrative templates, there are hundreds of templates, policies that are already set. All you need to do is to activate them. You saw that I can right click and come to display settings and do a lot of things here. But let me block that in for you to see. I'll just come here and then I'll come to control panel. And then here, allow what? Control panel, prohibit access to control panel. All I have to do is to double click on it. Then I'll come to enabled. I'll enable it here and click on apply. Okay. Once it's done, I would make sure I update it. Group GP update / false. And then the thing is that if it's updated, don't expect it to work immediately. It will take a little bit of time before it works. Because check this out. When I right click here, it will open. It will open because it's not yet aware. You get it? But when I restart
Yeah.
the machine, see what will happen. And when I restart, it will ask us to wait a little bit before it logs in. It will take some time, just as it took some time the first. And when we log in, you'll see the wonders. It will not open again. Now check this out, Ralph. See what it will tell you now. It won't open. It will give us an error message. Do you say it says what? The file
Mm-hmm.
does not have an app associated for it with it for performing this action. Please install an app. Do you get it?
Yes.
One, if one is already installed, create an associating in the default app setting page. It won't go through. You get what I'm trying to say? And when you try to
Mm.
go to control panel, it won't mind you. See, it says the operation has been cancelled due to restrictions in effect on this computer. Please contact your system administrator.
Okay, then it seems like that is what is happening in this country. When you try to access some sites,